Ultimately, I want to go to structure, and I know chainsaw is going to be a big part of like daily operations, like when I go on the roof when you're ventilating. And so that's one of the main reasons I wanted to come here. And because I have no experience with it, today was amazing. And so I wanted to get a better understanding of everything, because all around I want to be a good firefighter. My dad's a fireman, and my little brother, he's trying to be a fireman too, and then so me also.
Taking it apart.
They're all extremely supportive, and they're hard on me. They're really hard on me, because just like because you're a girl, that doesn't mean anything at all. Like, you need to be able to do the job, and that's exactly why I'm here, so I can learn my job. It's definitely just a matter of pushing yourself. It's more you overcoming it in your head, saying you can do it, because I never thought that I would be able to do it. I wanted to get experience anywhere I could, and I saw that the CCC had this program, and I thought it would be perfect.
We'll start slow.
Being able to get the experience like in wildland and brush, because you are touching tools and you are out there like doing it, so it's the perfect way, especially for someone who's young.